Hey and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video I'll be going over how to set up the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen with 2 PCs and how I use it in my 2 PC streaming setup. One mic, 2 PCs, on a budget, let's jump into it. Now there's 2 ways that I know of to do this with 2 PC setup. One with pass-through from the gaming PC to the streaming PC. I found it a lot less flexible. The other way by connecting the Focusrite to the streaming PC and the gaming PC at the same time. This is the configuration that I use. I'll go over how to do this and how I use the Focusrite Solo 3rd Gen for streaming and gaming chat on 2 PCs at the same time. I'll only be covering one of the ways in this video. If you would like to see how to set up the pass-through and the Windows settings, definitely leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to cover it, so get subscribed so you don't miss it. Some of the things that we're going to need to set this up with a 2 PC setup are, of course, the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen and a mic. I'm using the Behringer Ultra Voice XM8500, or just any other mic will do, any mic at all. This is a very cheap mic, it's the one I'm using currently. And I have a Hosa female TRS 1/8 inch to dual male TS 1/4 inch stereo jack breakout cables. And the last thing we're going to need is a 3.5mm audio cable, male to male stereo aux jack cord. Let's start with plugging the Focusrite into the streaming PC via the USB cable that comes included in the box, so that your stream and your recording will always get the best audio possible. If you're looking for just a basic setup guide, I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in that. Next, after it's installed, tested, and working on your streaming PC, make sure your Focusrite is not set to your desktop sound by default. Set it to the speakers so you don't get your alerts and other computer sounds twice on your stream or in your game chat. Set this way will ensure clean mic audio. This next part, we need a splitter or a breakout cable and an aux male to male connector. I'll leave links to all of this in the description below. And we want to plug the breakout cable into the right and left monitor speaker output on the back of the Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen. After that, we want to connect the aux cable to that, then plug the other end into the mic input on your gaming PC. Now in doing this, it will require you to turn direct monitoring on and use the monitoring knob to adjust the volume of the mic. This will only adjust the volume on your gaming PC, so like you're in chat, your in-game mic and stuff like that. And turning the monitoring off will actually mute and unmute your game PC mic. This is great for talking to your chat without your game or Discord hearing you. And if you like a physical button like me, this is perfect. I absolutely love it. Test your mic levels to make sure they're good so your friends in game can hear you fine. And this will still allow you to check and monitor your voice with the headset from the Focusrite. So you can just use the front headphone jack on the front, plug it in. You'll still be able to hear your voice, but you won't want your sound coming through that, or it'll go from your streaming PC. Any of your desktop audio will then go through your mic and into your game as well. So make sure you set that so that it's not your desktop audio. We don't want desktop audio coming through your mic. From here, you're pretty much set. Your mic's run to your streaming PC and your gaming PC, volume set, and you're ready to go. I find the Focusrite Solo 3rd Gen very capable of handling a 2 PC setup at a very budget friendly price of 169 Canadian, and a great build quality. I have enjoyed using it a fair bit. This is one of the easiest pieces of hardware to set up and one of my favorite to use so far. My whole audio setup for a 2 PC setup cost me dollars to have my audio covered for both streaming/recording PC and the gaming PC. I hope this helped you in some way. If you're looking for more in-depth video on all of the settings, let me know in the comments below. But that's all there is to it. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the description below. And if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.